It is with a signature and a grin these days, Texas continues to forge its own path, and often to the chagrin of some in Washington. The latest, a law allowing private citizens to sue anyone who aids in a woman's abortion after a heartbeat can be heard, even in the case of rape or incest. The White House squaring off with Texas.
Why force a rape or incest victim to carry a pregnancy to term?
Texas will work tirelessly to make sure that we eliminate all rapists from the streets of Texas.
If Governor Abbott has a means of eliminating all rapists or all rape from the United States, then there'd be bipartisan support for that.
The Justice Department crafting a lawsuit to challenge the Texas law and going head-to-head on others. Biden and allies pushing federal voting rights bills to counter a new Texas election law critics call discriminatory, and at odds over immigration, with Biden halting funding for a border wall.
It does not seem to want to see itself as part of the country. It wants to become, in some ways, the conservative California, where what happens in Texas becomes what happens in the government.
And that Texas-sized footprint getting a bit bigger here in Washington. Based on population figures, Texas will actually gain 2 more seats in the House of Representatives, while California will lose 1.
California has stopped kind of being the place where everyone is moving to. So while it's still the most populous state in the country, it is not growing at the same rate that Texas is.
Whether it's Biden's order stifling some drilling for oil or intervening on the abortion law, on the national desk Thursday, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton saying the federal government should stand aside.
That should be a state decision by elected officials, not dictated by Washington, not dictated by the Supreme Court.
But more Supreme Courts say possible, as it's unlikely the two untangle anytime soon. In Washington, I'm Scott Thuman.